High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a silent threat that many of us face. It's often called the silent killer because it can cause damage to your heart and arteries without any symptoms, leading to heart disease, stroke, and other serious conditions. But what if I told you there's a natural, delicious way to help manage your blood pressure? Today, we're talking about a special tea that can aid in naturally lowering blood pressure. Before we get into the brew that can make a difference, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Your support allows us to share more health-boosting tips like this one. Let's explore how a simple tea can be part of your strategy to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Imagine sitting back with a warm cup of tea, knowing each sip contributes to your heart health. This isn't just any tea. It's a blend of ingredients known for their blood pressure-lowering properties, supported by both traditional use and scientific research. The key components of this tea include hibiscus, known for its vibrant color and tart flavor, and studies have shown it can help reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Another powerhouse ingredient is green tea, packed with antioxidants that support heart health and improve blood flow. We also add cinnamon, a spice that not only adds warmth and sweetness, but has been linked to lower blood pressure in people with diabetes. And let's not forget about cardamom, which, aside from adding a unique flavor, has been shown to improve heart health and reduce blood pressure. To make this heart-healthy tea, you'll need hibiscus flowers, either fresh or dried, green tea leaves, a stick of cinnamon or a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a few cardamom pods, lightly crushed to release their flavor. Simply combine these ingredients in a pot of boiling water and let them steep for about 5 minutes. Strain the tea into your favorite cup, and if you like, sweeten it with a little honey or enjoy it as is. Drinking a cup of this tea daily can be a soothing, enjoyable way to contribute to your heart health and manage your blood pressure naturally. Incorporating this tea into your daily routine is a step in the right direction. But remember, managing blood pressure involves a holistic approach. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet low in salt and rich in fruits and vegetables, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing stress are all crucial components of keeping your blood pressure in check. We'd love to hear how you integrate natural remedies like this tea into your lifestyle. Have you found certain herbs or spices particularly effective for managing your blood pressure? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Your insight can provide valuable guidance and inspiration to others in our community looking for natural ways to support their heart health. If you found this video helpful and believe in the power of natural solutions for improving health, please share it with friends, family, and anyone who might benefit from a simple, natural approach to managing blood pressure. Together, we can spread the word about healthy, accessible ways to support our well-being. Thank you for watching, and remember, taking small, consistent steps toward a healthier lifestyle can make a significant impact on your overall health, including your blood pressure. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content designed to empower your health journey. Here's to your heart health and enjoying every sip along the way.